You bring your Silverado in because the lights flicker and the gauges are acting strange. The service writer nods, says the word electrical, and starts talking about diagnostic hours. Maybe a module, maybe a harness. A number that makes you wonder if the truck's finally done. A lot of that spooky behavior isn't a failed part at all. It's a ground. The connection that lets electricity get back to the battery. 5 signs coming up, and the 5th one fools almost everybody. But before any of that, go do this tonight. Takes about a minute. Find the heavy braided strap running from the back of the engine down to the frame. Grab it. If it wiggles at the bolt, if you see green or white crust, if the metal underneath looks rusty instead of shiny, you haven't spent $1. First, you turn the key and it drags. Slow crank, or that click. You take the battery in, it tests fine. Watch your dash lights while it cranks. If they dim hard, a starter pulls an enormous amount of power. Fresh battery, bad path, the battery was never the problem. Second, at night. Headlights pulse. Dome light dips when the blower kicks on. Sitting at a stoplight, it's obvious, and when you rev it, it cleans up. Most guys go straight to alternator, and sometimes it genuinely is. Rev test first, wire brush second, parts store third. Third, the gauges. You hit a bump and the speedo twitches. Fuel drops to empty, comes back. Notice if your temperature needle jumps erratically. The cluster on these trucks can genuinely fail. That's real. When the reference moves, they all lie together. Fourth is the one people call haunted. You hit the turn signal and the dash flickers in time with it. Whenever you touch the car's brake pedals, the radio display begins to dip and dim. Wipers on, gauges twitch. Current goes hunting for another way home. Fifth, and this is the one that fools shops too. You scan it and get 3 codes from 3 systems, starting with something up front, then moving to something in the back, and finally something on the transmission. 3 separate failures at once is rare. When the ground shifts, they all start reporting nonsense together. Look at what they share. Negative battery cable off first, always. Then find your 3. Engine to frame. Battery negative to block. Frame to body. Take each one of the bolts loose. Wire brush both the terminal end and the surface it lands on until you see clean, bright metal. Snug it back down tight. A little dielectric grease over the outside. If you've got a chafed harness, clean grounds won't save you. After the battery's been off, expect a rough idle for a few minutes. The shop sees an old truck with gremlins and starts the meter. You see 20 winters of corrosion on 3 bolts. One of them ends with a wire brush in your hand. Tell me what gremlin your truck has thrown at you. Wire brush and grease are in the pinned comment. If your Silverado's still earning its keep, hit subscribe.